Hi, I'm Suneera Madhani, and I'm a mom of two, a daughter of an immigrant, and an unlikely entrepreneur who went from scaling an idea to a billion-dollar business. Yes, a billion-dollar business. Along the way, I learned that less than 2% of female founders ever hit 1 million in revenue, and I became obsessed on a mission to change that. I believe that there is so much gatekeeping in business knowledge, and that we as female entrepreneurs should be learning from other female founders and leaders who have broken the statistics. Since I never went to CEO school, I've had to learn it all the hard way, but you shouldn't have to, because we believe that you deserve to have it all. And honestly, nothing bad happens when women make more money. Grab a seat because class is officially in session. Welcome to CEO School. Hello, everyone. It's Suneera Madhani here, and today I have the biggest news, and I am so excited. We are coming live from New York City right now at Model Risk Americas, and I'm here with my brother and co-founder, Sal Rehmetullah.
Hello, hello. How's everyone doing out there?
I am so excited. We are literally here announcing the launch of our newest fintech, Worth AI. It has been honestly a dream, and we have been in stealth for so long. We are so excited to finally be out. You all know that I hate keeping secrets, and I just feel the pressure is off. It feels so incredible, and I'm so incredibly proud of us today, of our team today, and it's so incredible to be here in New York City and finally getting to share the news with all of you. It is such a tremendous week for us, and there is nobody else I would rather celebrate with than with our community and all the people that love and support us and are the biggest champions of not only Sal and I, but for the things that we stand for. And what Worth is exactly what we stand for. One of the biggest challenges that we saw is the fact that, we have a personal credit score that determines our financial health, right? We all know our credit score. If we don't pay our bill, the score goes up and down. And our credit worthiness as a person is determined by the score. Why? Because it's widely accepted and standardized. Now, on the business side, so for all the business owners out there, there is no standardization of your credit worth from a business scoring lens. And Worth AI is our mission to standardize the new business credit score. And that is exactly what we're going to do. As a financial institution ourselves, we onboarded over 100,000 businesses, but we were doing it through various data points that we were trying to piecemeal and collect together from these businesses. And remember, even the data that we collected, we still had to have human decision makers to make those decisions about a business's credit. Versus now in 2024, there are thousands and thousands of data sets already available from a digitized perspective about our business. No one has come together to build a platform to connect every which way as a business we can share our data. And the most important data is our financial health and data. So we never had real-time access to a business's real-time financial health. And so what we've built is a platform for enterprises. So we are first going to market to all financial institutions, but this goes even beyond financial institutions. This can go to creditors, lenders, people who want to give terms to businesses, even vendors that we want to do business with. But from an institution and an enterprise perspective, it gives these decision makers data, powerful data powered by AI about the businesses that they want to serve, and gives them accurate data about the financial health and the profile of the business. So Worth AI's platform is going to be in market today now for enterprise financial institutions. But what we're also really excited about is once we were building this, we said, why are we just giving this data to financial institutions? As a small business and as a business owner, we want that financial data for our own self. I want to know my credit worth and how I can grow my credit worth as a business, just like I do on my personal score. So we've decided to open up Worth Score, which is going to be launching here in the next coming weeks. I cannot wait for you guys to join our waitlist. But the Worth Score is going to go beyond just the score. It's going to be insights and tools to help us really value our business and to scale the financial profile and the health of our business. And most importantly, creating an equitable table for all. So excited.
Yeah. No, I love the intro on that one. It's fun to actually see it because I know we've been working on this for months, but hearing it all come together. I think a lot of people asked us, why has this never been done before? So when you think like business credit score, it doesn't seem like this crazy concept that, we
Yeah,
invented
like,
something out of nowhere.
Why doesn't it exist?
And I think the thing that a lot of people forget or that's really happened in the industry is in SMBs, there's just so many disparate systems of how they operate their business. So when you think of a small and medium-sized business, let's just talk about financial information. There is a bunch of banking institutions they might be working with, credit unions, banks. They might use QuickBooks Online. They might use Xero. They might use an Excel document to manage their stuff. When you think about payroll systems, they might be writing paper checks. They might be working with an ADP or Gusto. And so you had all these disparate financial systems. So it's really tough to bring a consolidated view together of a single business. And the easiest concept I can give you is imagine if you went out and bought a car today. So if you're walking into a Lexus dealership, you walk in and you like this car, you grab your W-2 and you provide them your social and your credit score. And probably within 15 minutes, you have your loan payment, your terms, your down payment, what your monthly payment's going to be, and you can drive off with that car. Now do that exact same process, but through your business. They need 3 months of bank statements, 2 years of tax returns, a personal guarantee in most cases. And that whole process has no history of your business. And that was really the biggest challenge that's really been existing when it comes to business credit scores. And so you had in 2019 this huge wave, during COVID where SMBs all had to digitize. So you had people really focus on payroll being fully online. You had IRS, full tax filings, fully digitally done, where you could file your sales tax, your payroll tax, your income tax, all online.
What you're telling me is that post-COVID, right? And this is absolutely true. We all have business owners that are listening today. The digitization of how we do business and accounting has also shifted and changed.
Absolutely.
And so now everything is online and connected through tools that are widely available.
Absolutely.
Right? So from our payroll systems to the accounting systems, we're all pretty much using one of 10 tools. And it's all done through APIs and through connectivity.
Exactly.
So now for the first time ever, so it's not that it hasn't been thought of before, no one's been able to actually execute on this, because for the first time in history, now all of the tools that are there have open APIs for us to connect to as well.
Yeah.
And so with the timing of this, and then now even the data that's coming through, can you tell me a little bit about the model and how AI plays into how we're calculating the score and the data that's coming through?
You nailed it. So just like you talked about, let's say we even had all this data and you gathered it. Well, how do you grab so much information on so many different businesses? You're talking about a corner pizza store versus a fintech company versus a SaaS business that's digitally online versus an e-com store, right? So you have all these different businesses that manage their businesses differently. The way their P&Ls look, what's important to their financial metrics and their KPIs are all various. And so for the first time, you guys have all heard this concept probably, which are LLM, large language models, that allow you to digest thousands to millions of rows of data in real time, break them down, and rebuild back a financial metric to actually create a apples to apples comparison for these businesses. And then when you attach, everybody knows this buzzword, AI, and specifically generative AI, to this large language model, you can actually start to predict out a financial forecast. And so it's not just creating a business credit score, it's creating a 360 financial view of your business and allowing you to visually forecast 24 months out of how this business is going to perform. Is it going to grow? Is it going to shrink? And where are the areas of opportunities for this business to continue to succeed?
This is so exciting. Y'all, this is so disruptive. I mean, we have had conversations across the board, across every single industry, whether it's from financial services to insurance to factoring to lending. This applies. I mean, we are all these institutions are trying to do business with us, right? And they want to do business with us. And this allows more equitable distribution of that business. This allows for more capital for these businesses as well. And we're really excited to solve this problem because this is a personal challenge for us. Even as we are going through and had built out our businesses, guess what? It's still on our personal profiles still, right? And at the end of the day, Sal, your name is Salman Rehmetullah.
Yep.
Right. And there is somebody on the other side, that a human that reviews that application, and whether he wants to or she wants to or not, there is still a biasness associated with your profile.
Yeah.
And we want to eliminate all biasness from the financial ecosystem. Decisions should be made through data, not through human decision making.
Yeah.
And now today we're able to do that with Worth AI and really empower SMBs all throughout to really know their credit worth and to know their worth. And so we're super excited that this is happening. We need all of your support and your help. I know y'all have been such champions of Sal and I for the last decade. And this time around, we're not doing this. There's no need. Like, we've already had all the success, right?
Yep.
I mean, I thought you were absolutely nuts when we were like, okay, we're going to do this again. We thought so long and hard to say, do we really want to go start another business and go start such a large scale company? This is a massive tech build. We have massive partners that are backing us. We've got data partners across the board from Visa, MasterCard, Stripe, Equifax. Like, we have had to go get all of the connections to drive this data as well. We've had to go get capital, tons of capital to go fuel this business. And we're setting out on this journey. And I want you to know that this journey is not, it wasn't for the same reasons we started our first journey.
Yeah.
This is a true problem. And once we've experienced this problem, but this is something, like, when we thought about, or like, what can we actually leave in this world as a legacy? We know what it's like on the other side as a financial institution, and it shouldn't exist that way. And we believe that with Worth, we can really change the landscape and really standardize the way business is done. And this mission is so much bigger, and we're going to need all your support in doing so. And so I have no doubt in my mind that Worth is going to be wildly successful, but we want to enjoy the journey and do it alongside with all of you. So there's two asks that I have today. So first and foremost is to share the news, to follow along on our social channels. So I'll be linking all of that here down below or in the show notes. And you can find us across all the channels on Worth Score or Worth AI across every social media platform. So definitely follow us along from LinkedIn to X to Instagram to all of the different channels, and share the news with the networks and join our waitlist. If you are a business that wants to know their worth, we have our waitlist at worthscore.com. And I want you to join the waitlist today. And if you know anyone that is running a financial institution that you believe that this product can change the way that they are underwriting businesses, let them know about this and have them go to worthai.com, where they can sign up for a demo of the platform. The enterprise solution is out today. We're so excited about the launch of the Worth Score here in just a few weeks. So let's build the hype around it. And I just want to truly say thank you from the Worth team today, from our family. This is so exciting, Sal. I'm so grateful to be able to do this alongside you.
Absolutely. Really, really appreciate all the support. And as you can probably hear from all the background noise, people are lining up to come say hello and learn about their own Worth Score. So thank you guys. And
all right, we'll see you online. Thank you for everything. We're so excited. Join Worth at worthai.com and worthscore.com. Thank you for tuning into today's show. If you loved it, leave us a review. We are so proud to bring you authentic conversations, game changer expert guests, and valuable content on and offline. The best compliment you can give us is by screenshotting today's show and tagging us on Instagram at CEO School and at Suneera Madhani. We are obsessed with swag, so don't be surprised if we want to send you some. Thanks for tuning into class today, and remember, nothing bad happens when women make more money.